I'm meteorologist in my city. It's Sunday's Madness. Here we go. Let's get going, folks. Yesterday. What's going on yesterday? There we go. We did have some tornado activity out here in the high plains. These are the high plain drifters that develop. They'll develop next 2 days out here again, and all the storm chasers like Reed Timmer will be out chasing around out there. There's actually been some really spectacular photography from these storms. I mean, some of the shots I've seen are just amazing. And fortunately, most of the storms have just been in the open country areas and not really impacting anybody in terms of any towns or anything like that, which is good. Then we had the storms over here, some hailstorms and windstorms going on across North Carolina with our coastal storm that's developing. And the satellite picture shows that coastal storm developing here off Norfolk, and it's going to continue up the coast and out by tomorrow night. It should be out to Atlantic Canada and be gone. And clearing should commence behind it tonight and also Monday. So a lot of folks from New England back down into the Mid-Atlantic states will actually have a good Memorial Day weekend or Memorial Day after you're having this cold rain. I mean, I know people are complaining because it's almost 20 to 30 degrees below normal outside. I mean, it's terrible. I mean, really, yesterday it was 48 degrees at my house all day in rain. It was just horrible for end of May. It was, once the sun comes out this week and it gets humid, the grass is going to grow. I mean, you could hear the grass grow. Worse than the locusts out there. Anyway, the thunderstorms out here this morning with the system sitting over here. More thunderstorms today out there. Sandwiched in between, other than some low clouds that are kind of drifting around, is really nice weather. You folks in the High Valley, Great Lakes, enjoying some nice weather. Send it to me. I want some nice weather. All right, there's that rain expanding up into New England, all up and down the coast here. And again, that's going to get out of here tomorrow. Then we got showers and thunderstorms out here across the midsection of the country, and they'll continue for today and tomorrow. The severe weather areas are back in the high plains of Texas and New Mexico again, all right, and then across the Big Bend of Texas tomorrow, maybe a little area up in here, up in Wisconsin. Then, what is that, Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Tuesday, some areas across Texas. All right, surface maps. See our low pressure by this evening up through New England. Starts to clear up behind it this evening. Thank goodness. Our thunderstorms and severe weather out here. Then tomorrow evening, that storms up into New England. You guys up in Maine are going to have to deal with the rain. But there will be clearing coming up from the southwest for most people tomorrow after this really bad day. Thunderstorms up here across the Great Lakes. Thunderstorms back in here. The west will be dry tomorrow. All right, some thunderstorms across Florida. Beautiful weather in between. Yes. All right, we get into Tuesday. The humidity is going to start to come up. The heat's going to start to come in. Everybody's going to start to really warm up. All right, some cases up across the northern tiers could be kind of a battle to warm up, but it's going to warm up. And we get in toward the end of the week here. A lot of showers, humidity's coming up, the warmth is coming in, a lot of showers and thunderstorms developing. We've got some heavier thunderstorms here across the Northeast and the Appalachians with a front that's going to be coming through. But the trend is to warm up and get more humid. That's the trend this week, okay? And then as we even get into the weekend, well, it looks like on Saturday it's going to clear up across much of the Northeast. We're still going to have this air mass down here that's going to be warm and humid, okay? And showers and thunderstorms popping up willy-nilly in that air mass, okay? Hot weather out here in the west and southwest is going to get hot. And now things are going to get interesting. As we head through the weekend, we get after June 6th. This is the 8th. So now we're going to start watching the tropics down and through here. All right, high pressure sitting over here. We have a big ridge of high pressure building on the jet stream level. Okay, so now we got to start watching down here across either the southeast coast of the Gulf of Mexico for development, and you can see a little area over here by Cuba. The GFS has been very consistent on this development. All right, and has a Gulf of Mexico storm, weak storm at that, coming up by the 13th. So anytime after the 6th of June, we're going to have to start watching for something anywhere in this area here, close in development, that's going to be going on. That'll be the big thing we'll have to kind of watch, because as this ridge builds in, high pressure comes in, you're adding spin in the tropics, things will start to spin up. So we're going to go from this cold weather pattern to a warm weather pattern, a humid weather pattern, and then we're going to hit the tropics, and the tropics are going to get active. All right, the indices here, right now we're into, the NAL is back to, it's kind of weird. We have a coastal storm, and we got the NAL going positive, okay, which is good. Then it kind of bounces around negative and positive. It doesn't know what it wants to do. And the PNA is obviously on the cold side of things, but it goes back to the warm side of things. All right, see how it's positive? That's why it's cold outside. Then it goes negative, and it gets hot again. And then the winter, summer is going to come back. And the AL we're not going to really worry about. So when you get to this kind of configuration, here's today. All right, cold, 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 cold. Okay? By next weekend, warm, 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 warm. This is just basically from showers down in here, but everybody warms up. Even gets warm up into Hudson Bay. So that's what's going to happen. All right, blank screen, lots of blue. All right, put it back. There we go. Anyway, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going into a summary weather pattern. Then we're going to start watching the tropics coming up here. That's the theme of the weather. And I guess I got to do the 30 and 90-day forecast coming up here tomorrow, this week. You know? On Tuesday. Wow. Anyway, program note, no video or email tomorrow, folks. I'm taking the day off. It's Memorial Day. I want to go out and enjoy. Don't want to work. Got to take the day off. All right. That's it for now. Meteorologist Henry Marcus City.